How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So with the LattePanda 3 Delta, I've installed a fresh copy of Windows 10 on my SATA SSD and all of the necessary drivers to get all of the hardware working. It takes a bit of time installing all of the Windows updates and getting those drivers unzipped, but once you get everything installed, it works just fine. But for this video, I want to bring a few things to your attention, specifically cases. So now you can purchase the Titan case directly from DF Robot. Now, of course, with the new Titan case, you get all-around protection for your LattePanda 3 Delta, perfect cutouts for all of the I/O, and removable covers for the GPIO headers. For 19 bucks, you can't go wrong with the Titan case. Now, alternatively, for all the makers out there, there are a few cases that you can print for the LattePanda 3 Delta. And here's a few that I stumbled upon. So this first case was designed by user UN3X or UNX. It's a compact case for the LattePanda 3 Delta, a bit more squared, and it has ventilation cutouts at the top and bottom, and I like this a lot. So starting with the bottom housing is pretty straightforward. You have all of the cutouts for I/O, and at the bottom there's ventilation cutouts for your NVMe drives. For the top you have two options. The first option has cutouts for the fan, and the second option has those same cutouts, but with rectangular cutouts for the GPIO. And the last file is an optional housing wall mount for the case itself. So this next case is from maker Stephen Hall over on Thingiverse. Now with Hall's case, you have two optional tops, one to expose the GPIO and another one to close everything off. The case also uses the supplied standoffs that come with the LattePanda 3 Delta, but you will need some countersunk M3 bolts to hold everything together. It's a cool, no frills looking case. I definitely like the fact that he left some room for that JST header, so if you want to power the LattePanda 3 Delta with another power supply, you have that option as well. So very nice design. So if you need a case for your LattePanda 3 Delta, you can obviously purchase the Titan case, or if you want to print one of your own, you have several options. And if you guys are interested in one of the community design cases, let me know down in the comments which one you are interested in, and I just might send it to the printer. While you're down there, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next LattePanda 3 Delta video. I'm Jason, and I will see you guys in the next one.